Previously on Trio.
We are heading to Mexico. Hasta la vista, baby! And we're hoping to be there in 24 hours, but we've got our fingers crossed still. And there's Mexico. So far, we're not feeling the current pushing us north, so we've been shooting towards Cozumel.
Hey, have you ever sailed into Cancun, Mexico?
Hey Trio Tribe, welcome back. Well, that was last time on Trio. This time on Trio, a big storm welcomes us into the anchorage at Isla Mujeres. A Spanish-only speaking insurance adjuster visits Saltair 3 to survey the damaged rudder and engine, and we start to get settled into life.
Alright, do it!
On this tiny island in Mexico.
Check this storm out. This is Invest 93. Invest means they're investigating it or they're watching it to see if it's going to turn into a cyclone or a hurricane. And it's 3:30 in the morning, 3 in the morning, and I'm getting 37 knots. 37 knots is now sitting hovering around 30. It was just 32, 33. There was lightning a minute ago. Yeah. But the anchor's holding, thank God. And the wind is facing 180, and that's what I'm not happy about. Because 180's got our stern pointing towards those pilings that are pretty close. Wasn't supposed to stay 180. Nasty. There's 34 knots again. 36. Wow. That's fun. You can literally see the line of rain and wind coming. Getting closer. Here it comes. That was worse the other night. Christy, pass me your hat and your camera. Wow, can't even see anything. Oh, look at the wind go. Whoa! How much is that? That's the biggest yet. Holy shit. Wow, this storm just does not want to go away. Oh, look at that boat leaning so much. Wow. Hey guys, so we're at anchor here at Isla Mujeres in Mexico. And it's morning, and today I'm going to see about getting a rudder manufactured. That's Puerto Isla Mujeres Marina right there, and talking to them yesterday about the new engines arriving. They said that they might be able to make a rudder for me. So the one that I'm ordering from France is going to take 5 to 7 weeks. It's a little bit long for us, so they can build one in 4 to 5 days. So we have to pull the existing rudder here in the bay, out here in the bay or here in the lagoon, and they can make one that looks exactly the same. So Gonna go find out. Time to hop in the dinghy. I'm gonna go now, hon. All right, we're off. See you later. So this is our friends on sale pending. They've been in the marina. Getting into the slips was going to be difficult. All these slips are packed. It's difficult with one engine and one rudder. So we chose to anchor out. Much easier and cheaper. But it's nice to have this dock to be able to come into. Those bikes and our scooters. Morning. Buen dia. It's a good day today?
Yeah, nice morning.
My GoPro camera.
Yeah, nice. It's small.
Yeah. Beautiful spot. Big tree, big beautiful pool bar. And a pool. We're pulling out a Leopard 44. Let's have a look how much clearance there is on either side for this channel. This is where we're going to have to come in. Ah, there's close to 2 feet on that side. And a foot on that side. Lots of room. A little bit of work being done in the yard today. Hola.
Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días. ¿Es Fernando aquí?
Luis Fernando, I have to work and
Well, Fernando neglected to tell me that he doesn't work today until 12 o'clock. So I got his phone number, and we'll head back to the boat, and I'll give him a phone call. And hopefully he's got a couple answers for me. If not, move on to the next step. I've told Fountain Peugeot in France to wait on my rudders because I was going to see if I could get some made here rather than waiting 7 weeks for them to come from France. They can have them built here in 4 days. Just have to make sure that they can do it before I cancel the order in France. I just asked them to go on hold in France. And there's the big cat coming out. Hola. See if we can get a little closer. I would say that cat is having engine problems. Both exhausts are black all around the hull, and there's no barnacles or anything on it, so it's not getting painted or cleaned. I think it's got a problem. Tengo problema con catamaran? A problema con the catamaran? Okay, why is it coming out? Another boat coming out of the water. Busy day today here at the marina. More whale watching boats heading out. They tend to go super fast past our boat, and then they get in here and they go super slow. And there's lizards everywhere. There's one right there. There's one right by that lamppost. There's one up here.
The adjuster's here now, and for insurance. And the problem is he doesn't speak a word of English. So we've got the computers out. Luckily we have Wi-Fi, and we're using Google Translator to relay the pertinent, super important information. This is Jesus, and this is how we're going to try to work this through.
Mucho gusto. No nos despedimos. Sí, su teléfono. Ok. Ahí. Ah, bien. ¿Ya colgó?
Hola?
Colgó.
Hi. Yes. Okay. Some paper. See? Okay.
So it's not going the greatest. We can't understand the guy at all, even with Google Translate. So we've got another guy, the insurance company, that speaks English. Hopefully he can relay some of the messages. See how it goes.
Eventually it works.
Here we go. Do the good light, yeah. Hey, it's True Travels! Welcome to Isla Mujeres, Mexico! Woo!
Alright! Let's do it! What? Why did the boat rig just rocket?
We're not on a boat, Dad!
We're not on a boat? We're always on a boat. Okay, good.
No, watch the road. In keeping with the dying engine theme as of recent,
Let's go!
our golf cart's dead.
Definitely not very long.
That.
The battery
All right.
connections, maybe?
Never a dull moment.
Can we get ours done?
Isn't there a cocktail called Broken Down Golf Cart? There is, and it's a shooter. We should do one.
Hey, well, we're leaving the anchorage out at Isla Mujeres out in the bay. Chris has got the helm and we're heading for the first marina is Puerto Isla Mujeres, which is this place right here. This is where we're going to get work done on the boat. They have a fuel dock there. Fernando is the manager. He's a great guy. We've got all our fenders out and our lines out. It's really shallow. You can see the bottom, see my reflection. Oh, look at the fish. Yellow tails, blue bodies, needlefish. And we're going up here. We're going into Oscar's Marina, which is a cute little spot. Wood docks, great little restaurant at the front. True Mexican family owns it. It's just a great spot. Where Cole had his birthday party. Check out this massive mega yacht. Pretty narrow coming in here, so we took our time to make sure we weren't going to meet anybody on our way through.
We don't even know what to do with ourselves when we have 2 engines and 2 rudders.
Wow, look at that Dome Manny. Wow. Oh, look at the tender to Domani. Wow, it's 30 feet. And Intrepid, those are expensive boats. Yeah, I bet it's at least that. That's those Intrepids that they're making in Lauderdale. So that's where Sail Penny was anchored and Sandy Feet on the other side. And then it was really busy in here, so we didn't come in with our one engine. We anchored out here in the bay. Holding was awesome. We had 41 knots of wind. At least that's all what I saw. It might have been higher. And we didn't budge. Anchor held awesome. There's a few more mosquitoes in here, but hey, what do you want? I think Cole, ready to throw the lines over?
Yeah, I guess.
We're all
Driving in or are you? I think you.
okay, I'll bring it in. What's your depth, babe?
8 feet.
Oh, she has said 6 feet.
5 feet.
5 feet. Yeah, I can see bottom. It's 5 feet. 3.7 feet.
4.0.
Keels are getting close to brushing along the bottom.